This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake. Where applicable, pull the trim from the wheel. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the road wheel. Pull the caliper outwards a little to retract the piston. Unscrew the lower guide bolt pin, then pivot the caliper upwards. Discard the bolt, a new one must be fitted. Remove the outer brake pad from the mounting bracket, followed by the inner pad. Measure the thickness of the brake pad friction material. If any pad is worn to 2 mm or less, all 4 front pads must be renewed. Using brake cleaner and a brush, remove any dirt and debris from the caliper and mounting bracket. Check that the guide pins slide easily in the mounting bracket and that the rubber gaiters are intact. If new pads are to be fitted, the piston must be pushed fully back into the caliper body. Ideally, use a piston retraction tool, but a G-clamp will suffice. Keep an eye on the fluid level in the reservoir as the piston is pushed back. If necessary, remove the surplus fluid with a syringe. Slide the new pad anti-rattle clips into place on the backing plates. Then fit the pads into place on the mounting bracket. Ensure the friction material is against the disc face. Lower the caliper down over the pads, then insert the new guide bolt pin and tighten it to the specified torque. Repeatedly depress the brake pedal to bring the pads into full contact with the disc. Locate the wheel over the hub, then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts to the specified torque. Refit the wheel trim. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front brake, then check the brake fluid level and top up as necessary.